Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to freeze two column and three rows in Excel. Follow my process step by step. Let's begin. Open your Excel document and freeze two column and three rows. One column, two column, and three rows. Okay. Now click these cells. Click these cells. Three rows, one, two, three, and two column, one, two. Okay, then select this. Go to View tab and freeze pens. Freeze. Okay. Now scroll your mouse. Three row. Freeze three row and scrolling this two column. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.